Hi, my name is Matt, and today I'd like to show how to save time by using GOM Inspect Pro. Many inspection processes in our daily work, such as quality control, are very time-consuming and can quickly be simplified thanks to 3D scanning and GOM Inspect Pro. To show you how to gain time, we are scanning and inspecting this injection molded part that is used in the kitchen machine. As you know, parts can easily and quickly be scanned with ADAS-Q. Put the part in a turning table and scan both sides with 6 scans each. Once data is scanned, we are creating a detailed mesh, execute initial alignment and a specific alignment if required in the technical drawing. Color comparison shows deviations between nominal and scan on the entire part, while the section comparison shows deviation along a plane. Now you can easily set up additional checks like distances or angles and GD&T feature as requested in the technical drawing. At the end, you have a structured and easy-to-read report of all inspection results, ready to share with your colleagues. The report can be accessed at any time. Now we have scanned one part, but on the table you see we have to inspect more than one part. So we could start the same workflow again, but remember that I said we can save time by using GOM Inspect Pro at the beginning of the video. How can we do this? The answer is easy. We convert the shortly created project with all required elements like nominal data, features and report pages into a template. This saves a lot of time on future scans and inspections of the same kind of part, as the template can be used for new scans over and over again. This is how it works. We select the template and open it. Now we take the second part and also scan both sides of the part. After scanning, the software transforms both sides and creates a detailed mesh. Now we can update the entire project with just one push on the button Recalculate Project with report pages. That's it. Now we have inspected our second part. This report can also be viewed either in the presentation mode of the software or exported as a PDF in one click. Let's even go one step further. As mentioned, we have more than one part, and we showed that we could create a template and inspect all parts individually, but we can also inspect all parts in one project. This enables us to monitor production for a range of produced parts like small series, or take newly produced parts out in regular intervals, scan them and import them into a trend project for quality control. A trend project can also be derived using the template that we have created from the project. Let me open the template again. And now I not only import one scan, but I will import multiple scans. Differences to normal project basically are that a trend project contains several scans of the same kind and show inspection results in a so-called trend label. Trend labels mainly show the inspection value of features relative to their tolerance. Statistical and process parameters such as PP or PPK are part of it as well. When monitoring results over many scans, we can also easily see in color whether certain zones or inspection results remain within the tolerance or moving towards tolerance limits. If this is the case, the production can be stopped and adjusted in time, which avoids wasting time and cost for rejecting parts. This makes quality control simple and feasible for everyone. In conclusion, by creating a template from an existing project, parts of the same kind can be scanned over and over again without having the need to create a new inspection project each time. You can imagine, this function saves a lot of time and is just one of the features of GOM Inspect Pro. In addition, with help of trend projects, inspection results of newly produced parts can be monitored and production can be adjusted before tolerance values are exceeding. This avoids the generation of rejects, waste of material and time. Visit handsonmetrology.com to watch more how to get started videos, learn more about 3D scanning and let us know what task you're currently working on. You will find the link below this video. Thank you for watching.